Every great business starts with a simple idea, but with growth comes complexity. Millions of video streams connected by thousands of cables, stored through hundreds of servers day after day, has been the historical industry model. It's time for a simplified solution, one that end users, system integrators, or IT managers can embrace. Introducing ADI Cloud Storage powered by Seagate LYVE, an all-in-one cloud storage and billing management platform built for your business and designed for your data. Our on-premise first approach allows you to leverage legacy deployed systems and gradually migrate to the cloud with zero hardware replacement or proprietary devices being added. ADI Cloud Storage powered by Seagate LYVE can quickly and seamlessly integrate cloud storage to complex on-premise solutions by utilizing the full power of your Windows-based VMS and automatically moving video from your local drives to affordable cloud storage tiers and scale without limitations. We make it easy and cost-effective to store months, even years of camera data, transforming your business through the cloud while at the same time using your traditional VMS UI as your management tool. ADI Cloud Storage powered by Seagate LYVE.